Dear students, today we will start practice exercise 6.1 of chapter 6 decimal. So the first question in this chapter, write the following fractions in their decimal form, and the first question is 6 by 10. How you will convert this fraction into decimal form? Firstly, we will remove denominator 10. You will write the numerator same. You will write the numerator 6 same, and after that denominator is 10. To remove this 10, how many zeros are there in 10? 1 0. We will count one digit. We will put decimal to the right side of the one digit. 1 decimal, then 0. 0.6. Now the question D, 57 divided by 1000. How you will convert this fraction into decimal form? Firstly, you will write numerator 57. Now denominator is 1000. How many 0 in denominator? 1 2 3. We will put the decimal right side to the 3 digit. 1 2 3, but here only 2 digits are given. 1 2. To make 3 we will put here 0. 1 2 3. Now put here decimal 0. Okay, like this you will solve all the part of question 1. Now the question 2, write the following in decimal form, and the question is 1500. For solving question 2, you have to learn the place value chart. In previous video I told you about the place value chart of decimal numbers. So 1500, it will be 0.15. How it will be? After the decimal 10th 100, that's why it is 1500. Okay, now the D part of question 2, 8 and 8000. It means 8 and before the decimal, 8 and 8000. Once, sorry, 10th, 100, 1000, 0 0, 8000. You will write here 8000. 8 and 8000. Okay, got it? Now the question 3rd, write the following in decimal form, and the question is 3 by 10. Convert this fraction into decimal form. 3 by 10. Write the denominator, and denominator is 10. To remove this 10, we will put decimals. And how many 0 in 10? 1. We will put the decimal right side to the one digit. 1, write 0. 0.3. And the second question is 14,703 divided by 100. Now the denominator is 100. Firstly, we will write the numerator same, 14,703, and in denominator 100 is given. How many 0 in denominator? 1 or 2. So we will put the decimal right side to the 2 digit. 1 2, here you will put. Got it? Now question 4. In question 4, fill in the blanks. You have to complete this fill in the blanks. 8.53, it means in expanded form you will convert. 8 plus 5. What is the place value of 5 digit? After the decimal, 10th. 5 10th means 5 by 10. 300, 3 by 100. Got it? Just like this. Question E, part E of question 4, 66.666. You will write here before decimal 66, after the decimal 6 tenth. 6 10. After 10, 600. You will write here 6 by 100. 6000. You will write here 1000. Got it? Like this you will solve all the part of question 4. Now the question 5, write in expanded form. Decimal number is given. You have to write this decimal number into expanded form, and to write this decimal number into expanded form you have to learn place value. Okay, so 5.83. 5, it will be 5 ones plus 8 after the decimal, 8 tenths, it will be 8 10. 300 plus 3 by 100. Got it? Now the part D of question 5, 12.543. 12, it will be 12 plus after the decimal 5 tenth, 5 by 10, plus 400, 4 by 100, plus 3000, 3 divided by 1000. Got it? Like this you will solve all parts of question 5. Now the question 6, and in question 6 write in short form. Okay, now the expanded form is given. You have to write this expanded expanded form into short form. And to convert in short form, you have to learn about place value chart. You know that before the decimal, left side to the decimal ones, tens, hundred lies, and right side to the decimals tenth, hundred or thousand will be lie. Okay, now the here before the decimal 0 doesn't matter. After the decimal, right side to the 1, what will 0.8 means 8 tenth. On the 10th place you will write 8. Tenth, 100, on 100 you will write 8, and here tenth, 100 and 1000, on the 1000 place 8, and here only one, on one's digit it will be 0, then you will write here 0. So the answer is 0.888. Got it? Now part D of question 6. 100 plus 10 plus 1 plus 0.1 plus 0.01 plus 0.001. Now you will write the values before the decimals ones, tens, hundred and thousand, and after the decimal tenth, hundredth, thousand. Okay, so here 100, ones, tens, 100. On the 100 place you will write 1. Ones, tens, on the tens place you will write 1. Ones, on the ones digit you will write 1. Now the decimal 0.1, after the 0.1 means 1/10, on the 10th place you will write 1. Ones, tenth, 10th, 100 you will write 1. 10th, 100, 1000 you will write here. So the answer is 111.111. Got it? Now the question 7. And in question 7 you have to complete the given sequence by writing the next 3 decimal numbers. Okay, and just look here, 2.1, 2.3, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. They before the decimals the digits are same, but after the decimals the digits are changed. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. You know that, just like here after 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, and here 2.6. Got it? And just like this, question D, 20.1, 20.2, 20.3. It's like here 20.4, 20.5, 20.6. Just like this, you will solve all the parts of this question. To make now the question 8, write 3 equivalent decimals for each of the following. 0.5 is given. To make equivalent of this decimal number, you have to write after decimal 5 tenth is given, you will write here 0.50. To make 3 equivalent decimals, 0.500, 0.5000. Okay, these are the equivalent fraction. For it means 50 by 100. Now here when you will remove the decimal, it will be 5 divided by 1000, and you will remove, if you will remove the decimal from here, it will be 5000 divided by 10,000. Okay, you have to make these decimals to the equivalent decimals, and 0.5 equivalent 0.50, 0.500, 0.5000. Okay, when you will remove the decimal of this number, it will be 50 by 100, and if you will remove this 500 by 1000, because 3 digits are there after the decimals, and here after the decimals 1 2 3 4 digits are there. That's why you will write here 10,000, 1 or 40. Okay, when if you will cancel, you have to increase 0. 20.7, 20.70, and the second one is 20.700, and the third one is 20.7000. Got it? Now the question number 9. Write the following fractions as decimals by converting the denominator into multiple of 10. It means firstly you will convert the denominator of given fractions into multiple of 10. After that you will convert them into decimals form. So convert one. Now the fraction is given 1 by 2. How you will convert the denominator by the multiple of 10? We will multiply 1 by 2. Now the fraction is given 1 by 2. You know that when we will multiply 2 from 5, it will be 10. So we will multiply the denominator and denominator both from 5. 5 ones are 5 and 2 5s are 10. Now the denominator is the multiple of 10. Okay, And how you will remove this into decimals? 5 by 10. Firstly you will write that the numerator 5, and after the denominator is 10, you will remove the denominator 10, and in 10 1 0 is given, you will put the decimals right side to the one digit, 1, this and this. So the answer is 0.5. okay. Now the part D of question 9, 4 by 25. 4 by 25, and now you will make the denominators multiple of 10, and you know that how you will from which digit you will multiply 25 to make multiples of 10. We will multiply 25 from 4. So you will multiply numerator and denominator both from 4. Now the 4 4s are 16 and 25 4s are 100. Now easily you can convert this into decimals. Firstly write the numerator 16, and after remove the denominator, how many zeros are there? 1 2. You will put the decimal right side to the 2 digit, 1 2 here, and then 0.16. This is the answer. Okay, so now your exercise is completed. Solve this exercise.